So in this problem, we're told which of the following is an equation of the line L in the xy plane above. And so we're given this line here on this graph. And so we have a linear line like this. So we know that the equation of a linear line is going to be y equals mx plus b. And so what we're going to do is use this and we're going to map it to this line right here. So what is going to be b? So b is going to be our y-intercept. So the point in which it's going to be the y value when our line crosses the y-axis. So this line right here, we want to know the value of it. So we can see this line goes through it here and it looks to cross this line at 1. So it crosses the y-axis at 1. So b is going to be equal to 1. So we have y equals mx plus 1. And then what we want to find is m. And so m is going to be the slope of our line. And slope is going to be equal to rise over run. And so you find that by just picking 2 points on your line. And generally you want it to be where the lines cross. So like in this you see these lines cross here, and then pick another point. Doesn't really matter where, but try and pick close to it. And then you want to see how far it goes over and then how far up it goes. So in this case it goes over 1 and then up 1. And so you're going to take those numbers and take the change in the y, so this distance right here, which is 1, and put it over the change in the x, so 1 over 1. So m equals 1 over 1, right? And we know 1 over 1 is just 1. So y equals 1 times x plus 1. And so 1 times x is just x. So we have y equals x plus 1. And so if we look at our answers, the only one that makes sense is D. D is the same thing, y equals x plus 1. And so that's going to be our answer to this problem.